Okay, everybody, we're going to be creating an avatar for ourselves in our classroom, and there are lots of different options out there. We're going to use avatarmaker.net. Um, One of the first things I do is I like closing ads and scrolling and finding the information I want. And it has a couple options: create a Facebook avatar, create a cartoon avatar. I'm going to go with creating a cartoon avatar. And the first thing you can do is choose a gender. So you can choose one of those. It's just going to have like a base style for the facial expressions and size and shape. And then um, basically what I do is actually look at my picture. I look at my face. I'm sort of like, okay, sort of my face is shaped sort of like an oval, a lot of space up here. So I'm going to look for sort of one of these shapes that's more oval. Um, yeah, I guess that looks kind of like my face. Something like that. Okay. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get my hair. That's sort of, you know, probably one of the, probably one of these. It's right in this range here of, you know, I'm probably being really generous there. It's probably more like that. Although I still have a little on top. So I look through, I find a hair. That one seemed to be one of the closer ones. This one's, I don't know. I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna choose a hair, mustache, beard. If you have a beard at this point in your life, um, then as you select them, you can also choose the colors for those things. So I can kind of match up the color. I can try and get, somewhere in the ballpark of what I feel like my hair looks like. I can look at my eyebrows, close eyes. You can sort of look at your eyes and get an idea of what your eyes look like or how you want them to look on your avatar character. Also, you can change the colors of any object you're on, and you can also zoom it in or zoom it out, or you can adjust your character around, and you can do this to any object too. So, for example, mouth, I can move the mouth. Oh no, I guess that's the whole thing. I thought you could. Sometimes you can adjust certain objects. I guess that was not one of them. But I can choose my nose shape or style, go with a more cartoony nose, go with a more realistic nose. That kind of looks sort of like my nose. I don't know. Kind of a big nose. Now I'm looking at my nose. Um, and that's it. And then when you're done, when you've finished your creation, you can add a backdrop. You can have like a background. You can sort of change the colors. Again, if for my graphic design, I'm going to choose something that's contrasting so that I can see my person clearly. So I probably don't want to choose like a brown background where that's the same color as my hair. I'm going to choose a color that is different than I am so that it is easy to see my avatar. And then I'm going to click download. And when I click download, hopefully, oh, there it is. Okay, so it says avatar 500 by 500. I'm going to click on that, and that's going to give me this option. And if you're not getting a save window like this, you need to check out one of my other videos, which is how to set downloads in Chrome so that you get this option. And then you should always name it. So don't leave the generic name. I'm going to call this my avatar 2021. Okay, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to save this into my downloads. I'm just going to put it there so I know where it is. And there we go. And it's downloaded. And I can look at show in folder just to see if it showed up. And indeed it did. So now I am going to stop right there, but I'm going to see what you guys come up with. And then we'll be turning those in and maybe doing like a little class photo with avatars. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Have a great day. And if you have any questions or you figured out another cool thing you can do that I didn't know we could do, please let me know. And we'll talk later. Bye.